Okay, this is the Unit 9 Target 5 and 6 homework. Number 13, we're solving the triangle. To solve a triangle, you need to find all three angle measures and all three side measures. Anytime you have two angles, you can find the third angle by adding them together, subtracting from 180. So 180 minus the 85 plus 47 is going to be 48. So my third angle in my triangle is 48 degrees. And now I have all three angles. Okay, now I need to start finding the sides. So I need to determine if I can use law of sines or law of cosines because this is not a right triangle. My rule for using law of sines is simply that I have to have both a side measure and an angle measure opposite it. So I have that. I have side A and I have angle A, and so I can use the law of sines. So using the law of sines, we're going to say 19, which is little a, side A, over sine 48 degrees. And that's going to equal B, side B, over sine of 85 degrees. I can also start this over and say 19 over sine 48, so side A over angle A, is equal to little c over sine of angle C. So that's how I set up both of those values to find B and C. Now I just need to solve them. I'm going to solve them both the same way, which involves cross multiplying and then getting the B value or the C value by itself. So I'm going to start with the orange one. Cross multiply, I wind up with 19 times sine 85 degrees equals B times sine 48 degrees. Then to get rid of the sine 48 on the right, to get B by itself, I divide both sides by sine 48 degrees. Then I'll go to my calculator. So 19 times sine 85. Make sure you close your parentheses if you're not using your fraction button. And I need to divide by sine of 48 degrees. 25.5. So side B is equal to 25.5. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my side C. I already set that up, so I'm going to solve by cross multiplying. 19 times sine 47 degrees equals C times sine 48 degrees. Divide both sides by sine 48 degrees. And then use my calculator. So 19 times sine 47 divided by sine 48. 19 times sine 47, close parentheses, divided by sine 48. I get 18.7. So I have all three sides, A, B, and C, and all three angles, so this problem is finished.